In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on MatchTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside MatchTrader, you want to go ahead and go here on the left-hand side where you can see different symbols. Now, make sure you are on the Trade tab up top, which is the first tab and should be here by default, but if you're not, click on Trade first. When you go to the left-hand side here, you can then go ahead and select whatever you want to trade or place a trade on. I'm going to go ahead and click on Crypto over here, and I'm just going to perform a basic Bitcoin USD trade over here with my demo account. Now in here you'll be able to see whenever you click on a specific symbol, it's going to pop up on your chart here where you can do some chart analysis. You could go ahead and look at it, do whatever you want to here, or you could just go ahead and start trading and place a trade directly by over here on the left. When you click on it, you could go ahead and just select how much you want. So you could click on here, plus minus, it's gonna pop up, or you could just type it in manually like that. Okay, so that's completely up to you, whatever you want to do. And then here you can just click on buy or sell, and you've successfully placed a trade that way. As you can see down here under open positions, you can see my current position. Now there's also an option to open up advanced order. So if you click advanced order over here, you'll be able to go ahead and select this risk mode, which will basically allow you to go ahead and use the risk mode. You'll be able to select if you want to use a market or a pending order. You'll be able to set stop losses, take profits, stuff like that. And then of course you'll be able to see everything in the summary down here before you actually place this trade. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.